What's up, guys? What's up? So, it is. What time is it? I don't know if you guys can see it. It's 3:50 a.m. right now. I've been working on my automation. So, basically, what I'm doing right now, I hope the music is not too loud, bro. Yeah, okay. So, basically, like, this is a 5,000 word prompt, and मैंने कभी like this is fully written by Claude. हाँ, और रिसेंटली इसमें बहन से बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स आई, सो आई डिसाइडेड कि आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू रीड इट पूरा. मेरा दिमाग ख़राब हो गया है, बट आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ नोट्स ब्रो इस चीज़ पे. Bro, I have realized one thing. Whenever I feel like मेरी ज़िंदगी में जो भी बकचोदी है ना, like mental बकचोदी, like anxiety, feeling lonely sometimes, feeling extremely frustrated, feeling extremely angry, sense of apathy, like सारे के सारे emotions, like I've seen one thing. You will like never be depressed, never be sad, never be angry, never be frustrated if you're working on something that you absolutely love, that you absolutely believe in. I realized this, and honestly, you're just going to keep on working on it even if you're not seeing results, because that's what I did for like my first 2.5 to 3 years before I started making any serious money. It just like you just need to have this fucking faith in yourself and your work and your systems and like your ability to build systems and learn things कि तू कर लेगा, and then you just fucking do it. It just happens. This is like मैं तेरे को बता रहा हूँ अभी a few hours ago, like at 10 p.m. I was feeling this sense of anxiety for some reason. I मेरे में होता है, like I think it's genetic or something, हमेशा से होता जा रहा है. But the moment I sit on my desk and I start working, that sense of anxiety, that sense of like वो सारी बुरी चीज़ें, बुरे thoughts जो मेरे दिमाग में हैं, they just go away, bro. Like सब चले जाते हैं. And it's just like कितना सही. Like yeah, maybe I am a fucking workaholic or something. I'm using my work to basically let's play this song. Like maybe I'm using my work to fucking suppress my feelings, suppress my emotions. But whatever it is, I love it. It's a drug at this point. Like just working, bro. I just love the fucking aesthetic of it. Working until the sun rises, then making your pre-workout shake, and then just fucking hitting the gym. That's peak life. That is peak life, right? I think वही है. Like you will be depressed as fuck, you will be sad as fuck when you're doing nothing, when you're like scrolling on Instagram, when you are eating bad food, when you're doing all that dumb like bullshit, okay? But you're not going to be depressed when you're working on something that you truly believe in. And I think that's why the greats like Pancho Alexander the Great, by Napoleon and all those people, bro, I don't think they were ever depressed. Like हाँ Napoleon maybe थोड़ा बहुत, उसकी चूतिया बीवी की वजह से. But I think all these people had like genuine trauma and genuine bad shit in their head, and in order to escape it, they just used to work, create war strategies, etc. etc. Like I think it's different for Alexander the Great because उसकी माँ ने literally उसके दिमाग में डाल दिया था that he is chosen by God and he is immortal, right? But वो भी एक अलग सी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है ना जो उसकी माँ ने उसको दे दी for some reason, that he is chosen by God and he has to be the greatest, and he did become the greatest. Now all the people in the fucking comments be like, no, he got defeated by King Porus. पागल भाई, I recently read a book on Alexander the Great. I don't remember the name of the author. Let me find the book actually. मैंने ढूंढ रहा माँ की चूड़ी. Alexander the Great did not defeat King Porus. King Porus was defeated by Alexander the Great, right? But the reason Alexander did not conquer India was because उसकी आर्मी इतनी चुद गई थी. साला इतना दूर आके, like, they were basically fucking hiking the mountains of Hindu Kush, bro. Like literally थक गई थी. That's why they were like कि हमें या तो घर भेजो या हम यहाँ सेटल हो रहे हैं. We are not fighting anymore. That's why Alexander the Great did not conquer India. And I think एक और भी रीज़न था. किसी ने तो उसको बोला था इंडिया ना कॉन्कर करने के लिए. Maybe I'm getting my history confused, but yeah. But anyway, I'm just going side tangent. But literally all of this shit now, it's just in your mind, bro. ठीक है? Use it to build something. Like, I dated this girl once, and she was always so fucking depressed. She was always so sad. She was always having this victim mentality. कि बहनचोद ये है वो है, मेरे parents ये वो. And let me tell you something. She was privileged as fuck. Her dad owned a company which was doing like 1,500 to 2,000 crores of revenue every year. उसका घर बहनचोद 4 मंजिला का था. मैं साला पहली बार वहाँ गया था, मेरी आंखें फटी रह गई थी कि बहनचोद इतना, मतलब किसी के पास पैसा कैसे हो सकता है. हाँ, लाइक फकिंग 5-6 एक्सपेंसिव एस गाड़ियाँ, घर में 10 नौकर, लेकिन 3 लोग रहे हैं इतने बड़े घर में. एंड दैट्स व्हेन आई अंडरस्टूड कि भाई शी हैज़ नो, like, I'm not putting her down. I'm genuinely not putting her down. Like, she was the love of my life. Holy fucking shit. Oh man, shoot. But let me tell you something. I think उसकी ज़िंदगी में नहीं था कोई purpose. Like, yeah. But low-key, she did not have any purpose in life. That's the end of it. She was so privileged कि उसने अपनी पूरी ज़िंदगी, her only source of entertainment was just constant drama with her friends. कभी ये करा, कभी वो करा, ये हुआ, वो हुआ. And I think that is also fun. I also do that. But if you're doing it, मतलब पूरी ज़िंदगी, and you don't have any purpose, you don't wake up excited for something to work on, you don't wake up with a task list in front of you and with your heart beating a little कि हाँ मुझे इसको complete करना है by the end of the day, then you are like, your life is just sad. Correct me if I'm wrong, but your life is just sad. And I'm not trying to make myself look superior कि मैं इतना late तक काम कर रहा हूँ. Because let me tell you something. दिस इज़ नॉट अ फ्लेक्स कि मैं इतना तक काम कर रहा हूँ. मैं किसी के लिए बहनचोद अपनी ज़िंदगी कुर्बान नहीं कर रहा कि भाई मैं तो लेट तक काम कर रहा हूँ. आई एम जस्ट डूइंग इट फॉर माई सेल्फ. लोकी, आई एम जस्ट डूइंग इट फॉर माई सेल्फ बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू मेक मोर मनी एंड आई जस्ट लव वर्किंग. आई जस्ट लव द वाइब. जस्ट सिटिंग इन माई रूम, music in the background, just fucking working and working and working and working and working, improving my systems, doing everything, doing work जिसका इतना ROI मिलेगा भी नहीं, but I'm just still gonna do it. I think that is the most, like, उस स्टेट में कोई भाई दुखी नहीं हो सकता. ओके, कोई दुखी नहीं हो सकता. Like, मैं कैसे दुखी हूँ bro, when I got like 2 clients in one day. I'm booking sales calls for my agency, right? I have set up systems जिसकी वजह से मुझे इतना, मतलब outreach पे इतना काम भी नहीं करना होता है, and I still book sales calls. Like, it's just genuinely fun. It's like I'm building something. It's like I have a purpose in life. I'm a conqueror. I'm conquering the market. The coaches market basically, with my excellent service. But bhai, yeah, I think that's my point. Your life is pretty fucking sad if you don't have a purpose. मैं बस ये बोलता हूँ, and I mostly stand by it. Actually, I 100% stand by it. That is human tendency. Human tendency is to work on something, always like looking to achieve something, mental. And जब तुम्हारे पास कोई purpose नहीं है and you're just doing all this bullshit, तब तुम्हारी माँ सूझ जाती है. But if you're doing the opposite also, if you have a lot of purpose and you're doing, बस तुम उसमें ही मरे हुए हो, You're going to die early from stress, from a heart attack. You're going to have no friends. You're going to have no social life. I like to do something like कि मैं 3-4 महीने truly locked in हूँ बहन जो मक्खी माँ की चूत truly locked in हूँ किसी चीज़ पे हाँ then I take a break for the next 2-3 months where I just maintain the shit that I've built and then I just repeat it again but for those 3-4 months when I'm locked in I am totally locked in I don't go out with my friends a lot I don't do any bullshit जो मेरा time waste करे I delete Hinge I have no situationships, I have no hoes, I have no roster of girls that I'm talking to. I have nothing. It's just me, my work. बस वही काम करते रहो चूतिए की तरह. And I think that's true happiness. You know, having that balance. You know, people say this shit ki bro, balance, no, it's for pussies. I think no. Maybe I'm a pussy for. Maybe I'm a pussy. Maybe I'm not very manly. I'm not very masculine for being totally locked in on one thing my whole life. But I enjoy my life. I think that's the end of it. Yup. Video khatam bro. This was a very pointless video, but maybe I dropped some pieces of value. मार चुदा तुम सब पैंट चले रहो